During the layoff, I didn't follow one perfect AI roadmap. I used different resources for different gaps. AI engineer and designing machine learning system helped me understand how AI products are built and evaluated. System design interview helped me organize architecture and explain decisions. Go and the mom test taught me to find bottlenecks and make sure I was solving real problems. Anthropic article on effective agents and tool design shaped how I thought about agent workflow. The non-technical resources matter too. Primagens for engineer perspective, Alex Homose for communicating values, and Dr. K for discipline and uncertainty. No single resources change everything. Together, they change how I study, build, and explain my work.